Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to tell you that too much intensity is a bad thing. So, if you are actually finding that you're getting very sore all the time, but a big one is actually very demotivated, or your daily life is starting to suffer, you're going too hard at things. So you need to learn how to back off and how to program better so that you're not busting your balls all of the time. So if you're finding that you're having any of those symptoms, so your daily life's being affected, you feel really tired throughout your day, if you feel not motivated for training at all, like you're having to force yourself to do it, and like I said, you're losing strength or you're sore all the time, then your programming isn't really working out for you personally. So there's no perfect programs. You're going to go through different stages where you feel great and strong, where you feel fast and all this here different stuff. And things align, things click every now and again, but it's very important to never get really obsessed about it. Just always be the best that you can be, and always think about the day ahead or the day after or the week after and stuff like that there. Think, is what I'm doing now going to make me arrive at my goals? Okay guys?